Hello friends, I am Rachna here once again with you with the words of Kabir. Saint Kabir says that पोथी पड़ी पड़ी जग मुआ पंडित भयानक होए ढाई अखर प्रेम का पढ़े सो पंडित होए मीन्स बड़ी बड़ी पुस्तकें पढ़ के संसार में कितने ही लोग मृत्यु के द्वार तक पहुंच गए, सभी विद्वान नहीं हो सके। कबीर मानते हैं कि अगर प्रेम या प्यार केवल ढाई अक्षर ही इतनी अच्छी तरह पढ़ लो और प्रेम को वास्तविक रूप से पहचान लो तो वही सच्चा ज्ञान है। Means he says that the simple meaningful life you can live only with when you just understand the meaning of a small word, that is love, and you can be full of it, you can spread it. That means you have lived your life at the fullest. But otherwise you can read how so many books, you will never be able to understand the meaning of life, because not everyone who has read books, many books, has become a scholar, because they could not understand the real meaning of life. Then he says, साधु ऐसा चाहिए जैसा सूप सुभाए, सार सार को गही रही थोथा दे उड़ाई। मीन्स इस संसार में ऐसे सज्जनों की जरूरत है जो अनाज साफ करने वाला सूप होता है वैसे सार्थक बचा लेंगे और नीडर तक उड़ा देंगे। मीन्स saint should be the one, or this world needs such people who are able to understand the better, means the good things, and leave the bad things behind. Means if you have understood good and bad and you can differentiate in that, and you can know, that means you can understand that what can lead your life to the better way and what have the capacity to ruin your life. Means all these worldly pomp and show which can ruin your life, you can have again the capacity to leave them behind and live without them, and you can do your karma, you can keep doing your work, keep fulfilling your responsibilities towards the family and society as well, without all these religious and social pomp and show. Then you just try to be one with your God. Then that means you have lived a life with fullest, at its fullest. Then he says that जाति ने पूछो साधु की, पूछ लीजिए ज्ञान, मोल करो तलवार का, पड़ा रहन दो म्यान। मीन्स द सेम वे, जैसे सज्जन की जाति ने पूछ कर उसके ज्ञान को समझना चाहिए, वैसे तलवार का मूल्य होता है ना कि उसके म्यान का, उसके खोल का। मीन्स द कवर ऑफ द sword is not what is valued, the sword itself is valued. And that same way, if you meet with a saint, then ask him for knowledge and not for the caste or class or religion or community he belongs to. Then only you can, if once you are beyond all these things, then you can gain the real knowledge. Then he says it because he faced, Saint Kabir faced it when he was there. Then he was born in the center of religious affairs in India, that was Kasi, and the fight of religious supremacy was going on, and some people tried to prove him as a Hindu saint, or some people try to prove him as a Muslim saint, but he was saying that I am beyond all that and you also be beyond that. Rather than asking me that, you just come and talk to me about this, how to live these worldly affairs, how to go beyond that, think beyond that, and learn the value of life, the meaning of life, and spread the love beyond all these worldly affairs. Then he says, माला भेरत जग भया, फिरा न मन का फेर, कर का मन का डार के, मन का मनि का फेर. Means there are some rituals in all the religions I have seen, that people take the name of God, Jesus, or Allah or Ram, with the count that they have one garland of words in their hand, and then they keep on getting that round and counting the name, that okay, how many times I have taken the name of God. So leave that, the garland of your hand, and try to move this hurt, to clean it, to remove its dirt, so that you can you can have the space in the clean heart to have, to get it full with love, and you can spread the love. You can, with love, you can be one with Almighty, and with love you can understand the real meaning of life, and you can love it at the fullest, and you can go beyond all these worldly religious affairs. Then he says, दोष पराये देख कर चला हसंत हसंत, याद न या आपने याद न आवी जिसका आदि न अंत. Means the mankind has this problem of looking at others' mistakes, others' faults, and laughing at them. And they don't know, they don't just realize that they themselves might have done many mistakes, that they need to correct them. So जो मनुष्य का स्वभाव है कि दूसरों के दोष देखकर हंसता है, और खुद के दोष वो उसको याद नहीं आते, और खुद के दोष सुधारने के बजाय वो बस दूसरों के दोष ही देखता रहता है. Once you realize that you also have some mistakes done, so you can correct them, you can improve yourself, then you can know the meaning and live the life at the fullest. But this is the nature of human being, that we look at others' mistakes and don't look the three fingers pointing out on ourselves and correct ourselves rather. So this is very deep, with the deep thought he says that. Then he says, पंडित बाद बदे सो झूठा, राम कहे जगत गति पावे, खांड कहे मुख मीठा. जैसे मीठा मीठा कहने से मुंह मीठा नहीं हो जाता, वैसे राम राम जपने से भगवान नहीं मिलते हैं. Means to be one with the Almighty Soul, you will have to have the feeling of love. You have to understand the meaning of love, meaning of life, and leave all these worldly affairs from your thought, and do your responsibilities, do your work, rather than indulging into all these superstitious practices. Because the same way, if we call sugar sugar, sugar will not come in our mouth and make it sweet. Rather, the same way, if we enchant just the name of God and don't feel it within, don't have the love to connect with the Almighty, then we cannot find that soul. So this has deep meaning, but this is so simple. If we live life simply, we can understand it all. And Saint Kabir also.